Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It's your boy, the Daily Trainer, ready to get back after it. It's almost AAU season time. So what we gonna do? We're gonna get it in right on time. So let's go. If you don't know, now you know. Basketball U is the place to go, and it's also the place to know what to do in the game of basketball. Go ahead and look through our whole library, as we got all types of information for you to check out real quick, real fast, with just a click of the button down low. Go ahead and like the video if you want. If not, let's get this work in. All right, so today, let's go right into shooting, right? Most of the time you go right into the gym anyway and you shoot shots. So let's get them up right now. We're going to get right under the basket, okay? We're going to shoot that ball right off the glass. Watch it go right in. We're going to stand still. We're not going to move. We're going to make 20 on the right side, 20 on the left side, so we can just see that basketball go in, okay? Once we see it go in, we're going to form shoot, okay? You're going to form shoot with the right hand. If you're left-handed, you're going to form shoot with the left hand, okay? We're going to go on the right side of the rim, make 5, middle of the rim, make 5, left side of the rim, make 5. All right, then we're going to shoot that basketball off the glass. That's right. We're going to shoot it off the glass and work on that bank shot, okay? Same scenario. We're going to go 5 makes, then we're going to back it up just a little bit. 5 makes again, back it up just a little bit, and then 5 makes again. Then we're going to go to the other side and then have that set of 5, okay? Biggest thing here is we want to focus on touch. We want to focus on our consistency of the spot we're hitting on the backboard, so we know that we are practicing the same release and we have that same focus with the aim on the target that we want to hit. All right, same thing when you're trying to hit certain shots on the rim. We're looking at something to hit. Now, there can be a conspiracy about looking at your arc and the ball and not looking at the rim and understanding distance and all this measurements. Listen, put the basketball in the rim, okay? No matter how technical you get, it's an understanding of the game that you have to put an immense amount of hours in to understand that part of the game. So if you don't, here is a quick way to understand it, making these shots. All right, after we do that, we're going to go 3-level scoring, okay? We're going to work on layups, we're going to hit a mid-range, and we're going to hit a 3-pointer, okay? That's going to get you kind of acclimated to everything that we were looking to do when we're going to shoot, okay? You're going to do the right side 3 times, and you're going to do the left side 3 times. Once you've made that, go ahead and make 2 free throws, but we're not going to get water. We're going to get right back to it right after we make those, okay? So we're going to go around the world, all right? You're going to make 5 at each spot. Okay, you can bank it in or you can make it without hitting any backboard when you are starting at the block, and then everything further should just be a regular make. All right, you're going to go all the way around each spot. Okay, could take you some time, might be really quick. Okay, just depends on the shooter you are. If you do get past around the world, then what I would like to see is some floaters from you. Okay, now floater isn't quite the jump shot, but it is still a shot, okay, that we have to focus on. I want to see you hit 3 floaters without touching that backboard, 3 floaters with touching that backboard. You're going to do it on the right side, middle, and then you're going to do it on the left side. Remember, you can use any hand that you feel comfortable with. A lot of times there's a stigma about using that wrong hand on the wrong side. If you understand where your opponent is and how tall and how high they can jump, and you can get it over them, it's effective in either side, okay? I can show you clips if you want me to, or we can break down a whole tutorial about it. All right, now I'm going to send you back to the free throw line. Now you are going to get water after you make your 2 free throws, all right? Try to switch them if you can. Let's go. Basketball, you right back to it. You know how we do it. So now we've been shooting it. So now we're going to look at those mid-range shots, okay? So we got our 4 cones. We got them in the right elbow. We got it in the left elbow. We got it on the right baseline. We got it on the left baseline. So we're just going to dribble to those spots because those are going to be familiar spots that you're going to end up shooting on a regular basis in the game. Now, you might shoot in between. You might do a little crossover, pull up in the key, all those different types of things, but we want to keep it basic going into these shots right here, okay? Also, we're going to look at really focusing on sticking those feet down into our shot. So make sure we're getting those feet down when we're dribbling to each spot, and we have a good base and a good balance, right? Without a good base and a good balance, it's going to be hard to make those shots on the move, all right? Another thing that we're looking at when we go into this shooting is how are we in our flow of our shot, right? Is that ball delayed? Is that ball raising too fast? Are we flat on our shot because we're keeping the ball high, jumping and then fighting against the ball? There's all these different things that we could talk about, right? So just be aware of some of those things that I mentioned. And again, if you want a tutorial on how to shoot, we will figure out how to get that to you ASAP. All right. So now, as we look into some more shooting, we're going to go right to the three-point line because that's what you guys love to do, right? Everybody wants to be a little Chef Steph Curry. All right, so now we're going to be on the baseline, 3 on the left side, and we're going to start there, and we're going to shoot, and we're going to run to the other baseline and get our own rebound, and we're going to shoot on the right baseline. Okay, I want you to make 5 each. So you're going to make 10 total. Then you're going to make 10 total on the wings. We got to become better shooters, especially off the dribble. All right, so that is what we're looking for in this drill. Then we're going to do all around the world on the three-point line. Okay, I love this drill because you're going to get every little inch of the 3, and you're only going to go one way around. Okay, you got to get your own rebound. It's going to help with a little bit of conditioning, but hey, it works. All right, and then the last thing that we are going to do before we jump into conditioning, because you can't just shoot and not do a little bit of running, right? Usually when we dribble and we lay up, we get some things going full court and all of that, but we haven't really today. We're more just getting our own rebounds. So you're going to dribble up and shoot. You're going to make 3 with your right hand pulling up on the right side. You're going to make 3 alternating left or right, whichever comes first on your makes, and then pulling up off your left hand at the 3-point wing, and you're going to make 3 of those. So now we're going to do a little bit of conditioning, nothing too crazy, something you've done before with us for sure. Okay, we're going to incorporate a little bit of dribbling with it though, as we will work your arms out first, then we're going to work your legs out. Okay, so first, I just want speed dribble, low, mid, and high. We're going to do it for 2 minutes straight. Okay, and you're just going to alternate in between each level. You can do it 15 seconds, you can do it 30 seconds, whatever you feel is necessary. But it's going to be 2 minutes worth of that. Okay, you're going to do it with your right hand, then you're going to do it with your left hand. All right, now that upper body and those arms and shoulders are getting a little tired. Now what I want you to do is I want you to run a liner. Okay, that's when you run to the free throw line, run back, run to the half court, run back, run to the other free throw line and back, and then run full court and back. Okay, that liner is going to get you really winded. Okay, then I want you to dribble again for 2 minute sequence, and then I want you to run another liner. And that'll be your conditioning today. You're going to finish up with 10 free throws. It's going to be a little shaky at first because your legs will be tired and your arms will be, but you shoot through it. You'll make it. It may take you a long time. It may take you a quick time. Whatever time it takes you, just know you're getting better while you're doing it the whole time. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?